I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by getting the basics right. Power on the Apple TV, switch to the right HDMI input, and verify Wi-Fi is connected. Once done, make sure you have your Apple ID email and password available, and that a trusted device can receive the verification code. If you prefer the iPhone remote, open Control Center and be on the same network to pair quickly. This reduces delays and prevents sign-in loops, so you can move smoothly into the account entry step. Now you'll sign in. Go to Settings, then Users and Accounts, and choose Sign In or Add New User. On the screen keyboard, enter your Apple ID precisely, spelling matters, or use the iPhone remote to type faster. Next, watch for the two-factor verification prompt. A code is sent to your trusted device. As soon as you receive it, type it into the Apple TV prompt. Doing this promptly prevents timeouts and ensures your account links cleanly to the device. Finish by confirming the Apple TV displays your account name and that purchases, iCloud photos, and HomeKit settings begin to sync. If Sign installs, restart the Apple TV and verify the Wi-Fi network and router are functioning. Also check that date and time are correct because mismatches can block authentication. If you can't sign in due to credentials, use iForget. Apple.com to reset the password and then repeat the sign-in. This covers the end steps and one key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.